Jury.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Jury. Yes, sir.
There is no scope for, my lord, entertaining such objection because, my lord, the law laid down in my understanding is very clear. Now, my lord, your lordship may just take,
May I make one submission?
just take, I'm sorry.
It was set down for filing the objections.
No problem, sir. Just wait.
we-
Well, it's,
I am
we have
unable
filed,
to
My lord,
present the state.
I understand that objections filed.
but I'm sure, my lord, I can make my humble request to my friend. Just permit me to say something on the basis of the Supreme Court judgment. Perhaps I would be able to demonstrate
No,
exercise.
that is precisely what I wanted to say. Once the pleadings are complete,
So
that
they know,
I
please
think
plead
it
it,
would
my
be,
lord, I'll show
but
it to your
Wallace,
lordship.
if it is put for
because I have not even
pleadings
received the
and we have
copies
filed
of the
today, Wallace,
statements.
if we, it
Suppose
is
so.
put,
Let him submit for 10
Very
minutes.
well.
Just submit to him, my lord.
You don't have to worry.
I will leave there.
Now, my lord, just give me 2 minutes, my lord, because your
And
lordship
the
are
other
aware
matter
of this
which is
matter.
parted,
That I will take.
that
Next.
that is also.
Video is taking time to monitor this.
After this, I will take.
My lord, your lordships are aware
Yes,
of the
willing.
facts and the contours of this case, my lord, having dealt, and we have placed that judgment on record. Now, my lord, something more which is needed to be considered, my lord, with utmost respectful submission.
Yes, sir.
My lord, the principles which have been laid down, and my lord, I have heard this objection last time also, that a person concerned is not a made up party before, my lord, a independent investigation is ordered. My lord, there are 5 circumstances which I have, my lord, been able to place my hands upon, where, my lord, nobody like this, a suspect or a potential accused, is not required to be made a party or require any hearing, my lord, in at least 4 situations. Just have a look
No,
at
no.
this.
Let us, confine the submission to whether it should be interested or not. That is
I'm
the
only
case.
on that. I'm only on that. My lord, your lordship passed the order, the judgment, my lord, on 24th of September. Then, my lord, the action, the consequential action is taken by the learned trial court. And, my lord, a need is felt, my lord, which has now stood strengthened by the recent development which have taken place. My lord, the investigation must be fair and independent and must, my lord, inspire confidence. And the word used is, my lord, that the process must show a confidence that it will be taken up in the manner in which it is required to. And, my lord, there are judgments where higher police officials and if the politicians are involved, my lord, who are the accused and who are the suspect accused, my lord, the courts have felt that the reasonable apprehension is ex facie present, that the fairness would not be there. Therefore, there would be an utmost necessity for an independent investigation. Number one. Number two, my lord, your lordships, as per the prayer made, had required the loci to undertake the exercise so that, my lord, the immediacy of urgency of the collection of evidence, which must start immediately, has not started, and something, my lord, more adverse has happened, that some committee of 3 bureaucrats, they have taken over the records and they have taken over from the, my lord, the local police, and they have said that we will now do it. Now, my lord, just have a look at that, and I will then straight away come to, my lord, few judgment, my lord. A additional affidavit has been filed. Just permit me.
Which 3 officers have taken over?
I'll show to your lordship, my lord. It has a note sheet has come, my lord. If your lordship may kindly see the view, why the local said now I hold my hand, I can't do it because the 3 officers have come, the committee has taken over. Kindly just have a look at that, my lord.
No, 1 minute. Yeah,
the
just 1 moment, sir. Venkatesh Arbati, sir. Investigation happened till today. Where are the records? Those records are here, but investigation that is continued till today. By the end of the day, you file it.
Your lordships give me time till tomorrow or day.
Why?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದಾರೆ but ಆ ತರ
ಯಾಕೆ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ?
I not I'm sorry.
No, you should
I
have
should
got
have
it.
I should have sought my lord's clarification on that because there is no lord. I did not. I'm sorry, my lord.
Anyway, you file it by.
I request my lord's permission.
Because I also
Tomorrow
want to go through it. You just give it by tomorrow. It should be here.
I will.
Yes.
Lord, these facts, I'm sorry, my lord, these facts which, my lord, in my respectful submission, the state ought to have placed, or these facts should have come, lord, when your lordship rendered the judgment. There is an affidavit, my lord, which has been filed 18th of December 24, filed on behalf of the petitioner. I just want to read, my lord, a couple of paragraphs.
All right.
Kindly see, my lord, page 4 of the affidavit.
Yes. Affidavit dated
affidavit dated, my lord, 18th of December 24.
Papers ಕೊಡಿ madam. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
We have a spare copy also.
Give it. Get all the papers.
If your lordship may just see the start of the affidavit from page 2, my lord, the
Hmm.
prayer in the present writ petition and some little background which is set out.
Hmm.
And thereafter, my lord, kindly come to para 10, para 8 at page 4.
Hmm.
Page 4, para 8.
Hmm.
Just, my lord, I'll take your lordship 2 minutes to just run through these 2-3 paragraphs.
Hmm.
I state that owing to the fact that the investigation is being conducted by Lokayuk Police Wing, who are under deputation from the state services, relationship between the officers, the state is in the nature of master and servant for the said reason.
Hmm.
I apprehend that the crime would not result in an impartial investigation.
Hmm.
Due to such concerns, I was constrained to file the present writ, my lord, for an independent investigation by CBI. Please see 10. Further, I state that immediately after the registration of crime and filing of the caption petition, respondent number 10 addressed a letter of 1/10/24 to Mysore Urban Development Authority, wherein she communicated that she intended to surrender all 14 sites that were allotted to her as alleged compensation. Such surrender of sites establishes the fact that she was indeed allotted the sites illegally and without any basis, and only gives credence to the fact that crime registered ought to be investigated. My lord, I'll put it a little higher for your lordship kind consideration, that this is the conclusive acceptance of committing the crime, that I made this crime, I earned this, my lord, generated this huge asset of, my lord, approximately 56 crore. Now, my lord, it is now under investigation, so I come forward and surrender it. Please see 11. I state the entire exercise of surrendering was done at the lightning speed. And please see, my lord, despite these observations and the orders which have come, kindly see, my lord, the effort which are continuously ongoing, that, my lord, if a common citizen has to get either any release of land in notification, which is an impossibility, or, my lord, conversion of land from agriculture to non-agricultural use, etc., my lord, the same alacrity, my lord, your lordship will find a surrender is offered on a particular day and the entire state machinery is in action to accept that surrender. Please see 11. I state that the entire exercise of surrendering the sites allotted to respondent number 10 was done at lightning speed. Muda commissioner, based on the representation made on 1/10/24, passed an order on the very same day, 1/10/24. And please see, my lord, your lordship have seen the land which was acquired, and, my lord, the acquisition, award, etc., everything having taken place, the land stood developed and distributed. The same land gets converted into non-agriculture, which is a non-existent land. The, my lord, developed plots which are given in that, my lord, Muda, development phase 3 in Vijayanagar or somewhere, my lord. Now on 1/10, 14 plots which are developed, which, my lord, is now the subject matter of a criminal investigation. The party come forward and surrendered it, and the state, my lord, in unison for that protective measure, on the same day, my lord, which is placed on order on the record, my lord, in para 11, same day it is accepted. Then, my lord, your lordship will see para 12. Conduct of respondent number 5 in trying to protect the respondent 9 to 12 is evident. It is only when the matter was listed on 5/11/24, respondent number 5 issued a notice to respondent number 9 asking him to appear. For a month, the respondent number 5 did not call upon the accused number 1 to give such statement. I state that the aforementioned fact would reveal the snail pace investigation. Kindly see, my lord, not instilling any assurance or confidence. 14. I state when things stood thus, the ED began investigation, and kindly come to, my lord, 15 and 16. My lord, the further, my lord, further colossal fraud which has taken place is mentioned in 15. Please see 16. I state that the Lokayukt had initiated suo motu proceeding against the officials of Muda regarding irregularities, administration in functioning of Muda, which was based on the report placed by respondent number 5 dated 6/24, and a search warrant was issued accordingly. However, the Lokayukta closed the suo moto proceedings since a parallel inquiry is initiated such that depicts that the local, despite taking suo moto cognizance of the alleged irregularities, have failed to acted copy of the same, my lord, is produced, and, my lord, that this document, my lord, please come to page 29, this annexure. In this very, my lord, affidavit, kindly come to page 29. Kindly see the subject on the top. Suo moto proceeding as the officials of Mysuru Development Authority regarding the irregularities in the functioning on the basis of the report placed before me by the Superintendent of Police Karnataka, Mysuru, by way of report dated 6/6/24, alleging that there has been large-scale illegalities, maladministration, the functioning of
Oh,
Mysuru.
it is closed because one-man inquiry commission is constituted and he is into.
Kindly see, my lord, the records are taken away. Please see that.
Who has taken away?
Yes, my lord, I'll show it to your lordships. Just 1 second, my lord.
They're with the court now.
Correct. It is. Yes, my lord. But what I'm saying is, my lord, Mysuru, which wanted to start and, my lord, taken a suo moto action, please see, my lord, that the records which were taken at that point of time. Kindly see para 21.
Huh.
Your lordship will see, my lord, that the effort which were taken by the Lokayukt office suo moto in para 21 and 22.
Huh.
And after that, my lord, if your lordship may kindly come to page 36. Para 11, page 36. The Deputy Superintendent of Police Karnataka Loka Mysuru in his report has stated that before execution of the search warrant on 29/6, a 3-member committee headed by an IS officer of the Department of Urban Development has conducted surprise inspection of the Mysuru Development Authority and verified the files. Further, it is stated said team has seized more than 140 files from the said authority. As per the news item published in regional newspaper, Shri so-and-so Honorable Minister for Urban Development has issued statement that in respect of irregularities alleged to have committed at Mysuru Urban Development Authority with regard to allotment on 50/50, my lord, would be examined by the team of officers. In the said circumstances, the Deputy Superintendent of Police has reported that if inspection is conducted in execution of such warrant as the relevant records were already seized by the team of officers, it would not be possible to get the relevant record. Peruse the above note of the Deputy Superintendent of Police, Mysuru. The suo moto investigation was taken up on the basis of the report of the SP, Karnataka Lower Mysuru, that there are large-scale irregularities, maladministration, the functioning of MUDA, and that the government notification number dated so-and-so has been misused by the authority. Bulk allotment of sites have been made to the landowners and other illegalities have been committed. The report of Deputy Superintendent of Police discloses that already a team of officers headed by an IS officer of the Department of Urban Development of Government of Karnataka has conducted surprise inspection and seized the relevant record. Said team is further investigating the matter. According to the report, a single judge commission has been appointed, and therefore, my lord, the inquiry is closed. But something comes out which is extremely important in my respectful submission. If, my lord, the office of the Lokayukta had to conduct the inquiry which is initiated suo moto, first of all, my lord, itself does not, my lord, inspire any confidence that immediately at this time, the team of IS officers comes and take away all the files. Number one. Number two, my lord, if the exercise was to be undertaken in a bona fide manner, in accordance with the jurisdiction which is vested under the said enactment of Lokayukta, my lord, nothing had stopped the DSP of Lokayukta to now take those files away from that IS officer committee and take it into the custody of Lokayukta and proceed further. Please see, my lord,
No.
in,
Does that concern this particular allotment or this case?
my lord, therefore
It
that,
It concerns the entire functioning of
It
MUDA,
may-
what I gather
my
from
lord,
here.
it
It
may,
does not concern the allotment made to the chief.
it may, my lord, but supposing the investigation is carried out, the way, my lord, it is required to be carried out, and it shows, my lord, the scope and the width of fraud of such a manner that it requires further files to be investigated, my lord. That will become a part of the investigation. But, my lord, I am on the approach
Yes.
with utmost respect.